Yeah, Bheki Cele doesn't want me in this case. You see. That's the reason. He's got the warrant of arrest from January. Why he didn't accept?
What are the charges?
Therefore, don't.
Hi guys, our latest will be about Advocate Teffo and Bheki Cele following Teffo's arrest earlier today. Let's follow up on that. Advocate Teffo was pulling strings in court today. He mentioned some names that are involved in Senzo Meyiwa's case. During the court proceedings, Advocate Teffo also mentioned that Senzo Meyiwa's crime scene was tampered with by some senior officials. According to Advocate Teffo, those senior officials, including some politicians, arrived at the crime scene 4 hours before forensic expert was called to the scene. After lunch break, Advocate Teffo informed court that he received some calls threatening him during lunch. When addressing the media when he got arrested, he said Bheki Cele doesn't want him in this case, hence they issued a warrant of arrest for him in Jan. He suggested that warrant of arrest was a way of forcing him to pull out of this case, but he didn't want to. Here are some of the comments that came from social media following the forced arrest. Elvis Malakwane said, "Something is horribly wrong with this case. Advocate Teffo knows something deeper about the matter since he has been privately investigating it." He further said he cannot be humiliated like this for contempt of court. He is being dealt with by the ANC. And this user said, Teffo touched a wrong nerve. His mention of former MEC and that dubious character called Sibia cost his freedom. Only ANC is correct before the law. No one must stand on its way. And some people said this case seems to be bigger than what we actually anticipated. It seems like the big names are being involved here. In the next slide, please listen to Advocate Teffo again informing the media that Bheki Cele doesn't want him anywhere near this case. Please remember to also leave your comments down below and let us know of your take regarding this. And that will be all from me. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again next time. Bye.
Yeah, Bheki Cele doesn't want me in this case. You see. That's the reason. He's got the warrant of arrest from January. Why he didn't accept?
What are the charges?
Therefore, don't allow them to.
What are the charges?
I don't know the charges to start with.
Didn't they tell you the charges when they were handcuffing you?
They're not saying them.
They're not saying anything about the charges.
They're not saying anything.
Are they saying anything?
Have you read him his rights?
They're not.
That's how they harass
We
me.
can't talk to the media.
That's how they harass me.
But why
Why
are you
arrest
arresting
Media,
him?
no media, you must read the rights.
Have you read him his rights?
Have you read him his rights?
I'm giving my phone to him.
You
His
wanna
father's
go with the
important.
I want the phone to select.
I want
Yeah,
to
I can go
Why
with
should I
them.
go to the
You
side?
study-